Chai 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 gram chai.
Hello guys, this is Shwetang from Varanasi and today I'm with Emil from Denmark and we are on a walking tour at the moment and we just stopped by for a cup of chai. Chai is like a chai tea in India, so you can show Emil. Yeah. So they serve chai in this kind of pots which is like usually used and throw ones. So if you might have been to India, you might have seen this kind of cups everywhere, and they are really good for recycle. But also this is very good to protect from diseases. And also there is another reason that they are built because we have a caste system in India, and sometimes people who are from like a higher caste like Brahmins, they don't want to drink in the lowest caste houses, or if they have any issues with religion's perspective. In those cases we drink in those kind of clay cups, and we also eat in leaf plates. So Emil was today this morning he was on the tour with me. We went to Sarnath and we really enjoyed it. We had some coconut water and what else we did? Guava. We had guava and we had puri sabji.
Yeah, had a lot of snacks.
Yes.
A lot of snack time.
So I will just ask something with Emil. How was the day today with me, Emil? How did you enjoy it?
It was a really nice day. I booked the tour last night and I didn't really know where we was going. I was happily surprised. Learned a lot about Buddhism and how it started and the story of Buddha himself. And so it was a nice day and got to ask a lot of questions of Mono here.
So I'm just going to show you the chai shop where we are just sitting right now. And that's the chai shop usually where I stop by. This is like the way which leads you to the Panchganga Ghat on the way to the riverside. And this is how they make chai here. So they've got the coal here and they have got kettle. And these kind of cups are I was talking about. These are like use and throw cups. What they use in India. And that's the yogurt for the lassis. We also get yogurt for our lunch or dinner. This is like a very good protein and probiotic. It's winter right now, so chai tea is kind of very popular amongst the locals. And one cup of chai would cost around less than 10 rupees or something. भैया कितना दिन से होगा तुम्हारी दुकान यहाँ? चौथी दिन. So he has been doing this chai shop for 4th generation now. So that's the lifestyle of Varanasi when you come over here. We just hang around in this kind of alleyways. And these are the houses here. You can see really old houses. And that old man is just having his chips. Alright guys, so that was a short introduction about the tour and Emil today, and we will stay in touch. Meanwhile you can just subscribe to the channel and to see more videos actually. And Emil, you can say goodbye.
Bye.